Good morning guys. Yan, good morning. Ngayon ay araw ng Biyernes, December 1. At andito ako ngayon sa rest house, no? Sa rest house ko ngayon, rest house para mag-relax at kumain ng masustansyang pagkain at gulay katulad po ng malunggay. Ayan. Maghihimay po ako ng malunggay. Nasa rest house po ako ngayon. Magluluto at maghimay ng malunggay. Pinalis ko guys kasi hindi pala pwedeng pagsabayin yung malunggay dahil madaling maluto ang malunggay. Dapat pala ipahuli yung luto ng malunggay para kulay green pa rin yung sabaw. All my life is a paper, once secure and wild. Anybody could see all the things that it need, all the praises and wild. And you decorated my life, praying to the words of dreams of a part. And you decorated my life, my painting of love, all over my and decorated my life. And you decorated my life by painting your love all over a pond. And you have decorated my life, my pain, your love all over a pond. Decorated my life. Ayan na guys, ganun ako magluto ng you decorated my life by putting your love all over my heart. And decorated my life. See that malunggay, the moringa, malunggay. I have a lot of malunggays around my rest house. I have a lot of moringa, no? Malunggay is called moringa. Moringa leaves a miracle tree that have lots of vitamins and minerals. If you plant the malunggays or moringas, you do building your business like a Mercury pharmacy drug. If you plant the malunggay or moringa plants, no? Ulitin ko po. If you plant the moringa or malunggay tree or plant inside your perimeters or backyards, you build also a big pharmaceutical companies. Like Mercury drugs, because moringa malunggay is good vegetables and have lots of vitamins and minerals like zinc and centrum, no? Moringa or malunggay have a lot of vitamins and minerals, just like Mercury drugs have also more on vitamins and minerals, including medicines. But for me, malunggay is good medicines, vitamins and minerals that needs to our bodies to prevent all kinds of disease, including cancers. Malunggay or moringa leaves is good to our health every day, every time, and every night. Any problems that you have, the only one solution is malunggay. You couldn't sleep because you have a lack of irons. That's why your red blood cells is smaller than white blood cells. But if you ate or drink malunggay soup, you have lots and plenties of iron, and your blood becomes red. Your blood number cells is in red is increased. If you ate or drink the malunggay soup, your red blood cells number is increased. So that you can sleep easily. Then if you have a hormonal imbalance due to the abnormality of our health problem, use or drink malunggay or moringa soup every day para laging okay. That is malunggay. Okay. That is that is how I cook malunggay or moringa leaves for vitamins or mineral, and it's natural. Okay. Then we just an ordinary song for a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, but I am on the glow, telling you sense to take you where you go. Every side of me is yours. Yun guys, ikot tayo sa aking rest house. Yung rest house ko ay meron pong puno ng mangga, yan o. Yan. Okay, meron pong saging. Ayan. Oh, may saging yan. Oh. See that? Check. Right. See that? That is my punch bag. My punch bag. See that? Hey? Oh. I kick and punch it. Oh. Can I kick and punch? Then chop. Ha! For the blade sword. The sword's blade in my hands. Ha! That is a Kung Fu fighter. Yeah! Or smash. See that? That is my gadgets. Then, yeah! See that? Okay. Yo. Okay guys, good morning. Shout out nga po pala sa ating mga bagong subscriber sa channel na ito. Sa bago natin mga subscriber at sa patuloy pang nagsubaybay, nanood sa ating mga video lives anytime, anywhere in our channel. No? Sa umagang ito, ngayon po ay Friday, no? December 1. So, sa December 1, asahan nyo po ang aking mga bagong video. It's about sa mga health kasi kailangan na ating katawan yung healthy or malusog na pangangatawan. So, healthy body tayo dapat. Yun ang atin pinakaunang isipin bago ang lahat, bago tayo magtrabaho at gumawa ng anumang mga kahit ikan or kababalagan sa buhay, katulad po ng mga pag-exercise. Hindi ka po makapag-exercise kung kulang ka po ng vitamins and minerals. Ma-overfatigue ka po doon, kaya kailangan mo po ng vitamins and minerals. So kailangan po natin pag-usapan ang about sa health. Ayun, abangan nyo po yon this coming December. Okay. At ayun nga ang aming mangga. Ayun ang mangga. Ayun, kita nyo po ang mangga namin. Ayan. Masilaw po. Hindi po makikita. Nakakasilaw. Kasi nga against the light. Oh, against the light. Pero may bunga yan oh. Ayan oh. Yan. Okay. Katulad po natin yan. Ang mangga ay katulad natin yan. Hindi mamamunga kung kulang sa vitamins and minerals. Tayo din naman hindi makapagtrabaho ng maayos kahit gaano pa katalino at kagaling sa trabaho kung walang vitamins and minerals. Shout out po again sa mga bago nating subscriber sa channel na ito at sa mga magsasubscribe pa lang at patuloy na nagsubaybay sa video live natin ito. Ayun, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Happy New Year advance.